Oh, we haven't got the gimbal. So today we're trying the Makro Supermarket. This is more of a bulk store.
Cash and carry, so larger quantities. So we'll see what's here. We don't need much, but we just come to have a look.
But us, we've come all this way. What do you need? Now, bulk, cash and carry. What do you need?
I want some tuna.
How many?
Probably can, but
One
I think
can.
I might have to buy multiple. And we need, I don't know, barbecue, spatula,
Yeah, a few odds and ends, but
tongs.
yeah.
But
So we'll give this a try and see what this place is
here.
like. Oh, trolley? Don't worry about your ass. Your ass is wet. The tuk-tuk seat was wet. She's not happy. Huge. Lots of choice. Oh, jeepers. Plenty of eggs. But this freaks me out. Century eggs, whatever they are. Quail eggs. What do you got over here?
Oh, the lollies.
Oh, this is my section.
Got so much stuff here. We've got lots of them.
Marshies, I'm in. Transfer from one to the other. You got another coal bag, Joe?
Now we get the joys of unloading. I went shopping for 1 can of tuna.
Yeah, 1 can of tuna.
Now shopping later. All good. So we got a trolley, 3-wheeler. How big. So we can wheel it out. And is this the Seawind one?
Yes, it is. The chariot away. Would you like a ride?
Oh, that would be nice. Can I sit on too?
Good, I reckon. Oh, Christ.
Put the containers.
The trek to the boat. The trek to the boat.
Yeah, it's a bit of a walk. Just got to do the big walk out now, and all the stuff. Chris has put it in the trolley. I'm just following. We've got to get on the boat. So walk out, walk back. Okie dokie. Now the joys of loading onto the boat.
You getting on first?
I was going to video you.
I'll pass it to you. Isn't that the better way? Alright, start passing the bags.
Yeah.
That's heavy. Okay. And we'll get our water maker going soon. No more water. Now to put it all away.
My beer and soda water because we're so hot and thirsty. Chris's drinks. It's got a lime juice to hydrate. Chocolate. But check the starfish out. Look how it's a biscuit.
Oh, gee, that's chocolatey.
Look at that. That is so cool. Look at that. It's a biscuit starfish. Look, look. And there's flakes and a thing. That's cute.
Winner.
That's cute. You would have stood it in your cream. Stand it in your cream.
That better?
Yeah. Oh. Nearly fell over. Cheers, love.
Tomorrow's first day sailing.
I know. Yeah.
Starting with dessert.
It comes with straws and chocolate. Is that
It's a thick, really thick picture. Really rich. It's a winner.
It's a lot fatter than what we've used to.
32 amp. It's double the current capacity.
Yeah.
Alright, wow, that's heavy. Alright, we're heading off for our first time. Let's kick him over.
Got my coffee.
Little neat thing Phil
Phil
taught us.
said, yeah, it's to turn on the starboard side first, because otherwise you can't hear the other one start. And it's a bit different from what we used to, so
Yeah, it's a lot quieter.
There's no beep to say go. Alright, you're all on.
We're all set to go. Alright, time to let some lines off. Alright, I'm on. Fuck, that was a big jump.
Yeah?
So she is a busy marina. You do have to look for boats. We were clear, but this one's come storming up on us. Alright. Got his waypoint on there.
Yep.
But everyone does that differently. Alright, reef lines are set. They're set. Alright, we can go up.
Alright, so you want me to... Yep, go. Are we in the wind enough?
You can put them in. I'll let you know when.
You can tell it's been raining.
Down a smidge it. Like it down about another 200 mil.
Just a little bit then, that's about it. Yep. We're not used to the ropes everywhere. We're so used to having them in pockets.
I think I like
But
design. I like.
we'll get a groove. We just got to get into our groove.
Forward is starboard and starboard is port.
Our stickers got put on the wrong direction, wrong side.
Port, we're going to move to starboard. What's the rudder limit?
Yeah, it's at its limit. It's trying to keep straight. Is that?
Go a few more reps. Oh, that's 40. You should be able to hold that. Start. just dropped anchor in the rush. We didn't even get the camera out ready. So we've just dropped it. We're in 3.5 metres under keel, so it's about 5 metres deep. Can't see the bottom, so the water's not crystal clear here. But anyway, just set the chanker now. So we'll just feed that out a little bit more. Okay, should be good now for Joe to pull back. Okay, Joe, just give her a pull back. Yep. Oh, there's a ton of chain there. That's almost dead flat. Certainly done a little bit more than 6 to 1. So we've got double reverse. I think 15, it wouldn't go above 15. These are big engines, Joe.
Fuel went to 2.
Jeepers. Nah, you're good. That's huge to force, Joe. That's fine. That's holding. Yep, that's fine, yes. That's buried in deep. Okay. Anchor is set. So we're happy with that. Put this back away. This just goes up inside in the locker here. Alright, it's time for a swim. They were tacking into the wind, taking forever to get here today. It's stinking hot, we're ready for a swim. Time to get in, it's so hot. That is warm.
Like a bath?
It's a bath, it's lovely. Well, one of the great features that we've had installed is we asked for a freshwater outlet down the back here. So we can clip in. Now we haven't had any rain. Normally it rains here all the time, but it's been a bit dry and we're a bit salty, crusty. But the great bit now is we can wash down with the deck wash and keep the salt off the boat, because I want to do a bit of work out here and lay on the tramps and stuff, and I was getting all salty, so this is fantastic. Now obviously you don't go crazy. We are using water maker water. Well, we will be soon, so therefore, you know, at 130 litres an hour you don't want to be squirting the boat down too much, but certainly we've got the salt off now and we can lay around on the tramps and no longer get all crusty, so it's lovely.